Hello everyone. Welcome to day 3 on Full Light English. Today is special. I am going to give you a shortcut. Many students try to learn thousands of words. You don't need that yet. Today, I will teach you 5 magic words. If you know those 5 words, you can build hundreds of sentences. Let's unlock your English. The first magic word is want. You can use this for everything. Don't worry about complex grammar. Just say, I want coffee. I want help. I want sleep. It is simple, clear, and everyone understands you. Say it with me. I want to learn. The second word is can. This is for your power. I can do it. I can speak. I can go. When you use can, you sound confident. Use this word when you are at work or talking to friends. Next are need and like. Use need for important things. I need water. I need a taxi. Use like to be friendly. I like this place. I like English. These words are the tools for your daily life. The last magic word is have. I have a question. I have an idea. I have a phone. If you mix these 5 words, you can talk all day. For example, I have a problem. I need help. Can you come? See, you just had a full conversation. Your homework. Write 5 sentences in the comments using these magic words. I will check them. Subscribe to Full Light English so you don't miss day 4. You are doing great. See you tomorrow.